In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install texture packs in Minecraft Java Edition. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by actually closing out of Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher if you do have it open, and open up a web browser of your choice and go specifically to curseforge.com. Now you don't have to go here, this is just one that I personally recommend, but essentially go here, go to Minecraft, select browse all, and then from here you can filter specifically to texture packs or resource packs to see what exactly it is that you want to download, whether it's an X-ray pack, whether it is, whatever it might be. It doesn't necessarily matter. Just find one that you like on here. For example, we'll go ahead and do this fresh moves one right here. Select it, hit files, and then go ahead and filter it to the most recent game version, which in this case is 1.21.4. Open it up and then select these little three dots right here and hit download file. Just wait 5 seconds on this page. Don't select anything since this is an ad page right here, and wait for the zip file to download. And I would honestly recommend just dragging this onto your desktop just because it'll make it a lot easier for you later. From here, close out of this and go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher and get loaded into Minecraft by selecting play. Once it does load though, go ahead and select the options tab right here and then select resource packs, and all you got to do is just grab this zip file right here and just drag it into this option just like so. It'll say, do you want to install the following packs? Go ahead and hit yes, and as you can see, it's going to pop up on here right here. Essentially, it doesn't matter if it says broken or incompatible. I just have a ton of resource packs already in here. Just select play just like that and then hit yes and then hit done. And what it'll do is reload Minecraft, and then you can go ahead and get loaded in to really any match. And you'll notice that that texture pack is now going to be in there. This one is like a fresh animations pack, so everything looks just a little bit different, but nothing too crazy. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.